of rice dishes in my channel. Talaseri Dum Biryani, Kozhikode Dum Biryani. Then now it's a time for Hyderabadi Dum Biryani. A chicken Hyderabadi Biryani. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. With this recipe, we can serve 8 to 10 guests. Half cup of milk. Add a pinch of saffron. Combine well and set it aside. Onto a pot, add 200 ml of oil. Fry thinly sliced red onions 400 grams. Batch by batch, fry to golden color. Make sure you stir always so you'll get a nice golden color. Drain and remove and set it aside. We need 2 kg of chicken. It's a 10 cut chicken like this. Add 3 pieces of bay leaf, 3 pieces of cardamom, a small piece of cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of shajira, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder, 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 3 tablespoons of rock salt, 1 cup of chopped cilantro, half cup of chopped mint leaves, 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 8 pieces of crushed chilies, 1 piece of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Combine well and marinate the chicken. All the spices are well marinated to the chicken. Add 500 ml of curd, 2 tablespoons of ghee. The fried onions we made just 80% only. And the oil we fried the onions, all the oil. Add to the chicken and mix well and combine well and set it aside for at least 3 hours for a better flavor. The 20% of onion we kept it aside. Add 1 cup of cilantro, half cup of mint leaves, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Combine well and set it aside. 6 cups of Basmati rice, washed and soaked for 20 minutes. To boil the rice, we need at least 3 times, that means 18 cups of water. Add small piece of cinnamon stick, small piece of mace, 1 piece of star anise, 3 pieces of cardamom, 1 teaspoon of shajira, 2 pieces of bay leaf, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 4 tablespoons of rock salt, quarter cup of coriander leaves, quarter cup of mint leaves. Bring to rolling boil. Add the rice and cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Make sure you stir in between. Make sure the rice is cooked only 75%. Rest we will do in the dum. Drain all the water. The rice is ready now. We will layer the chicken and the rice, at least 4 layers. So spread the chicken onto the pot. Add the rice. Spread it all over the rice. Add the mix. We made it before. Do the layering again and again, at least 4 times for better flavor. See, like this. Spread the rice and sprinkle with the spice mix we made. Drizzle with the saffron milk we made. Small dollops of 2 tablespoons of ghee on the top. Cover the rice with the foil. Seal the edges so all the steam will help us to cook the chicken and the rice together. Cover with the lid, press and seal it. Dum on a high flame for 8 minutes for first time and low the heat to very low flame for 30 minutes. Remove it, be careful, there will be a steam coming out from the rice. Remove the foil, fluff the rice from the side, keep the rice onto the sides and get the chicken from the bottom. You can see a beautiful soft chicken and rice ready to serve. The raw chicken we dumped with the rice, it's so soft. So soft means so soft. So make sure you enjoy and eat. And don't miss out to give me a support by subscribing my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Just make sure you try it.